But for more, I yield 2 minutes to my good friend from Indiana, the good doctor, Larry Bucshon.
Gentleman from Indiana is recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you for yielding. Mr. Speaker, I'm against the rule and the underlying bill. It's a literal Christmas tree of unnecessary earmarks, billions and billions of dollars of the American people's taxpayer money. But you know the one thing that's not in there? Full funding for our nation's physicians. In fact, it's a travesty. In fact, there's a pay cut. The very people who helped get us through the pandemic, and this is how we thank them. Shortages, burnout, low morale, retirements. I wonder why. The American people should know what Washington is doing to America's physicians, and subsequently what's happening to the American people's access to quality medical care. Washington, D.C. needs to wake up and reform the way that we fund our health care plans, both Medicare and Medicaid, and make sure the very people that are taking care of the American people are properly compensated for the years and years of training and expertise that is necessary to provide quality care in this country. I yield back.
Good afternoon, friends. Happy Christmas Day to all of you. So yes, friends, they have made it official. There are now several states that are going to send out stimulus relief. Checks are coming before the end of this year for many Americans, and you can claim up to $2,000 in extra stimulus money. So friends, please do me a favor and watch until the end of this video to hear about all of these details. Also know that I'll be giving away a Walmart gift card every day until the end of this month. Today, since it's Christmas, I will be announcing several winners. So please make sure that you enter the giveaway by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the likelier your chances of winning the daily giveaways. Residents in 4 U.S. states are set to claim direct payments ranging from $75 and $1,658. Friends, this is awesome news, as a crisis is still continuing to affect millions of Americans. So it's time that our lawmakers finally start to take action for the American people. So states including Idaho, Pennsylvania, Hawaii, and Illinois each have payments for locals that must be claimed by next week. The states are offering relief in the form of tax rebates and one-time inflation relief checks. Since the start of the crisis, dozens of states have all offered creative ways to put cash back into the wallets of the residents. States like West Virginia are providing housing-related funding aimed at homeowners who are facing financial hardships that are caused by the crisis. The Chicago, Illinois Resiliency Fund 2.0 is a partnership between the city and local nonprofits that aims to provide $500 checks to city residents who had difficulty accessing federal crisis relief stimulus payments. Also, recipients must be 18 years or older when they filed their 2019 tax return. It is also important to note that to be considered for the payment, Chicago residents must submit an application online. Applications officially opened on October 1st, 2022, and will close on December 31st, 2022. The state of Idaho is offering 2 rebates. The amount of each payment is different, but the qualifications and process to receive them are the same. The amounts are based on the most recent approved 2020 tax return information on file at the time that the rebates were issued. Additionally, Governor Brad Little signed a law in September allotting residents $500 million in special session rebates. The state of Pennsylvania's tax rebate program is aimed at helping older and disabled Pennsylvanians who are still recovering from the crisis. While direct deposits were first issued on July 1st, 2022, residents can apply for the program until January 1st, 2023. The maximum standard rebate is $650, but some homeowners may qualify for supplemental rebates of up to $975. Renters and homeowners who make $8,000 or less should see a $650 rebate. Also, the state of Hawaii initially sent out its one-time tax refund to residents in August. However, refunds may be sent throughout the year, Hawaii's Department of Taxation said. The checks were sent during the last week of August, but will be issued in different phases. Residents making less than $100,000 annually will receive a $300 rebate, while workers earning between $100,000 and $200,000 are in line for $100. But friends, those who did not file an income tax return must do so by Sunday, December 31st, 2022. Surprise bonus checks of $600 are going out to a group of Americans before the new year, but there is a specific criteria that must be met to qualify for these payments. The bonuses come courtesy of the city of Denver, Colorado, which decided to offer the $600 checks to combat its staffing shortage. The city council approved the bonus and plans to fast-track the cash to most city workers by Friday. According to state officials, the bill stipulates the bonuses are an appreciation for their dedication and service in 2022, when staffing shortages continue to impact departments and agencies across the city, often at the expense of the city workforce. Those who had to work in person at least half of the time also received pay raises. According to the City Council, around 8,300 of city employees are eligible for this additional cash. To qualify, you must have been continuously employed by the City of Denver since at least September 30th of this year, and also still be working there on December 30th, 2022. Part-time and full-time employees are eligible, but on-call employees who work fewer than 30 hours a week will not be receiving this extra bonus check. That is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Christmas afternoon. Friends, please know that I'll be announcing several winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today. So do make sure that you watch and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then comment on, the greater your chances of winning these daily giveaways. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Christmas day.